Did one of the RV industry's most popular floor plans ever made just get a tweak and going into a luxury line? Let's check it out. What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have got an absolute treat for you. This is the 2025 Alliance Benchmark 44 LFT, and I in particular am super stoked for this because this is one of the most successful floor plans that I've ever recorded. This style is really what kind of changed my life. I mean, I'm talking about like 250 million cumulative views. And what just happened is Alliance took it, put their own spin on it, added a second full bath, but also it is going to be in a luxury line. So this is going to be an incredible unit. You guys are going to really like it. One, right off the front, I mean, look at that. One of the largest front caps in the entire industry, probably the largest. I like the docking lights there, but we're going to start on the inside, work our way around the outside, and do me a favor. I got invited down to the Alliance room to do all of these videos for them. I would like you to drop as many comments as you can think of, say hello, say what's up, but provide feedback because this is brand new and I want to hear what you think and see what kind of, tweaks that you might think of. But I'm going to put all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes down in the description. Oh boy, we are in for a treat. So, I mean, look at this. So the island shining up like justice with the LED lights. You have a massive slide over here with your, kind of your cooking and eating zone. And then the L couch, you flip it around, all of these windows for a great view. But I mean, look at the finish on this thing. Absolutely stunning. TV on a televator. And then as you come over here, there is a massive loft, bedroom, master suite. So, I mean, you're going to get the drop frame for extra head height clearance, but a huge bathroom in the back. That is definitely going to be, where me and Honey Buns are sleeping. And then on the other side, you are going to have another loft, perfect place for the kids with their own second bath back there. I don't even know where to start. I think I'm going to actually, I do know where to start. I'm going to start back in this bathroom, the loft, and then work my way from where I think just gets better and better and better. But I mean, look at that view. Absolutely incredible. I am stoked. Hit that like and subscribe button if you guys don't mind. I got so much good content coming out between Hershey and the Dealer Expo that if you guys are a big fan of RVs, I would love to have you guys here. So drop frame, porcelain foot flush throne that's going to be enough clearance on either side that I don't even have to sit on it. But I mean, look at that. Pretty good size shower, especially when this is considered the secondary bath. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall, 300 pounds, so I'm not really exactly a small dude by any means. And I've got probably about 6'1 clearance, 6'2 clearance right here. Enough room to fit in. Instead of having a Tri-Glide glass series, they went with the shade, which I'm actually more preferential towards that. I think that's a little bit of a nicer setup if you ask myself. Washer and dryer, I don't know if that is standard or not. You got an MSRP of about 110, so down in the description, I'm going to try to put some information on that. But I mean, the window opens up for a good breeze. Right over here, you have a mirror for the old bowling gun, baby. Good old Matt's coming by later, so I hear. So you got the liquefied RV treatment sitting up nice and pretty. They asked me if we wanted to move it. I said, heck no, give my boy some free ads. So make sure you buy that stuff. Boom, 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 boom. Stainless steel undermounted bowl. I mean, look at that. Access to your plumbing. Got more, yeah, man, that guy's got everything. That guy's got it going on. You got a little hook right here where you can hang up for the towels, and then you get the Super Steam Sucker 3000 right there that shoots it right outside. I like the way that this metal is right here too. I mean, I think that is a pretty good look. I don't know what you think, but I think that's above average for sure aesthetically. The stairs are wide enough to where I can walk up fully. And then although this loft isn't massive, I mean, it is everything that you need. I mean, you got a full-size bed up here, some storage over there, which let's see if I can stretch my arms. Then right there, TV with more shelving. I mean, I'm talking about PlayStations, all that stuff can go in there. Emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. But also it opens up for a good breeze. And then the accent lighting starts here and goes all the way down to the other loft on both sides. So that's pretty darn cool. That actually looks kind of mesmerizing on the camera right there. So you're also going to get 3 ACs, which is nice. They're all going to be the 15K. So basically 45,000 in total. But I mean, look at that. I love this floor plan. I fell in love with it when Salem first came out with it. on their 42 view. Then they upgraded with their 44 view. And now you kind of have this as well. So right here, you have the L couch setup. So perfect place to sleep some extra folks. Maybe if you got that Funkle, down at the campground, there's going to be a pull-out sofa right here. Bada bing, bada boom. You're good to go. Massive windows with a residential finish to it and big old sliding glass doors there too as well. You flip it around, more massive windows. I love it. I mean, you have the loft, you got the views, you got everything you need. When you want to just look out the window, you have the TV, it's on a televator, so you can lower that down. And let's see, is the control for it?
TV audio.
Oh, well, that's cool. I don't know where the control is for it. We'll see if we find it as we're, yeah, it's right here. So right there, push up and down, and you're ready to rock, and it's going to be really nice and quiet and smooth. You get the gist there. You don't have to stare at that for 45 seconds. Black glass insert right here. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. Can't wait to get back to you today. Been a whole lot of days on the road. I'm ready to hang out with the family. Hopefully catch the football game tonight. Fireplace right there with a couple different coloring modes, which are just absolutely fantastic. And then, I mean, look at this island. Sitting there shining up like justice. Looks cool. 5 stools. A little bit wider too, so that maybe you can play a couple games. Solid surface countertops here. And then I love the lights, the accent lighting there above. Again, just aesthetically, this is looking nice. I'm really happy that a luxury kind of line picked up something like this, because I think a lot of people are going to like it. And maybe if you got a little extra money, get something like this. Got the pull-outs. I mean, look at that. It's pretty cool. So you're going to get 3 of those. Heading down here, a whole lot more. I just love the fact that you do have the shelving. Just really nice. Moving along, you have your Contour microwave, which has the only mode that you need. Potato mode, or if you don't know what to do, you have snack mode. You got a little bit of coffee. Comes standard in every Alliance. That's a lie, but it is in there. Soft close, like seeing that. And then look at the oven. So, I mean, we got Thanksgiving coming up. You want to fit a turkey up in that bad boy? You can do that. If you want some gravy, you want some green beans, you want some mashed potatoes, man, I don't know what else is next, like cranberry sauce or something. You got the 4 stovetop burner to whip up all the fixings with a window, and then room on both sides and storage on both sides. So you have, this guy's got stuff everywhere. Holy smokes, good for him. So you got 6 pull-out drawers, and then you flip it around, and then this is going to be where you set up, to eat. Stainless steel undermounted bowl with the high-rise faucet. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Hitting those dishes from all angles. The accent lighting. And I mean, look at that. Clean cut storage. Shut off valves just in case, which is nice. But just a really nice, functional, clean looking spot just in case you need it. Flip it around here. You got your Samsung refrigerator. And it's going to be one of those big boys with the Twin Cooling Plus. So that'd be the model there. But I mean, you could easily fit a long weekend or a week's worth of food in that thing. Absolutely no problem. We got 4 kids at home, so I'm thinking we could probably fit a week's worth. You also have a freezer section, and then another portion, and then you also have your ice maker there too as well. But if you guys don't mind, if you guys have made it this far, drop a comment. Let me know what you think up to this point. But now things are about to get super crazy. This bedroom, loft, bathroom combo is absolutely insane. Heading up the stairs here, I mean, come on. Dual lofts, storage on both sides to share. TV that's over here. Let me climb up there a little bit. So, I mean, again, I'm 6 feet tall, so I'm not exactly a short guy, and I can sit almost like all the way up. I got a slight bend to me, but I'll tell you, it is not cramped up here in the slightest. I mean, for a kid, this is the best spot, or just for a ton of storage. Like if you are using this as a seasonal site, I'd probably use, one or the other for that. Into the bedroom, you're going to have the bed that's going to be on like that little tilt right there. So as you can see, I call this like movie mode, but it's in reality, it's just for extra space. So that way you can get dressed. But you have a drop frame, head height in here, pretty darn nice. I mean, 6'6" would be my guess. Windows on all sides. And then when you're ready to sleep, you pull out the bed and it's probably going to go to right about there with accent lighting there up underneath. USB, Universal C, and then 2 outlets. More overhead storage. And then all 3 windows do open up. Flip it around. Your Philips TV, it's going to be a Roku. So one of those smart TVs, a secondary fireplace. Bada bing. Bada boom. You got your fuse box. Let's see here. Are these are not just aesthetics. That is too cool for school. So I love seeing that. They're a little difficult to open though, but very, very cool. I mean, you could put like socks and stuff in there, I would imagine. Also, I appreciate the doors in the Alliance. I've noticed that on another model they had, one of their Paradigms. These doors are pretty cool as opposed to having one that opens. It's just nice to have that. Emergency exit, if I didn't say it before, pull, push, and plop. I also got one of those cool cutout maps. That thing might be missing here soon. I'm just kidding. Porcelain, foot flush throne, and then a really, really nice size shower. So, I mean, again, I'm 6 foot, 300 pounds. So a lot of times these RV showers get just a hair cramped. And this one's got plenty of room. Plenty of room to get in and out. You also have about 6'2" for the head height. My wife, if she wanted to sit down, maybe shave her legs or do whatever, you know, chicks do. Right there you got it with the teak seat. Adjustable shelving right there, so that's nice for just a little bit of extra storage. And then this front cap, absolutely awesome. Great little viewing window there, so if you want to get a good view out there of the lake life, you are more than able to do that. And then you have 3 more pull-out dresser drawers right here, along with more storage up front, more down at the bottom. You have the old steam and stink sucker 3000. Bada bing, bada boom for a total of 6. Good mirror to check out the old bowling gun, baby. Outlets on both sides. And then, I mean, 6 pull-out drawers. I think I just said that. And then clean cut access, your shut-off valves, and then your plumbing there too as well. Right here, you got a couple hooks to hang up some towels. And then your porcelain foot flush throne. But all right, guys, drop a comment and let me know what you think. Again, this is the 2025 Alliance Benchmark 44 LFT. Pretty darn snazzy. Now we're heading around on the outside and again showing off all of these windows. Another thing that I like that they did was instead of going with the classic kind of black awning arms, they went with the white and it blends in really nicely. And then they put the black for the awning up top. Again, it kind of just creates aesthetically. It's a pretty nice move that they did there. All right, looks like you do get some stabilizer jacks, which is nice. A lot of the brands these days aren't even coming with them or even optioning them out since a lot of people are blocking these up. But you have the industry's largest front piece right here, along with those docking lights. Hand crank, since this is going to be a destination, more of a drag and drop. You got your propane bottles. Love that LED bar there. But that drop frame, again, that's what creates that height in the bedroom, bathroom, and then up into that loft. But dual awnings, no slides over on this side, so you're going to have room, you know, for something like a deck or picnic tables, whatever you might want to use without having the slide there is pretty darn nice. Now here up on the back, you have a ladder that should have about a 300-pound weight capacity on it, so you can get on top, check your seals, check your slides, make sure you do all your maintenance. I would recommend getting up there probably, you know, like once every like 3 months, 6 months, whatever it might be. I like the fact they got the brass fittings there too, so it's going to be like a hose spigot like it would be on your house. 50 amp control right here. And then heading around the back, you have your sewer outlet connection, city water connection, and then your black tank flush, which is basically a sprinkler system for your poop tank. And then you have your pulls right there. And let's see here. There's no way I'm squeezing through that. So I think that's where we're cutting this chore. But all right, guys, drop some comments. Let me know what you think. Again, this is the 2025 Alliance Benchmark 44 LFT. 2-bath, 2-loft, beauty, luxury, destination RV. Have a great day. See you.